In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fog light trim bezel on your Ford Taurus located on your front bumper. Now, if you take your new trim bezel and flip it up, you can actually see the mounting tabs that go into the front bumper. And there's a couple that go across the bottom as well. And we're going to use our trim tool to go ahead and release these from the bumper. Before we do so, you want to go ahead and protect the paint on the bumper itself. So you can simply use some tape. You're just going to use that tape to protect the finish from when you use your trim tool. Good, and use your plastic trim tool here to gently go in and pry this out. And work your way down and around, releasing this. Pop that out. If you want to, you go ahead and clean inside here. To install, simply line this back up. I'm going to go ahead and remove our tape. You can remove the tape after the fact, but we don't really need it now to install a new component. Once you press it in, you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.